So here's BingX Pro app. So you can just tap Get to install it. Double click to install this app. And yeah, here you can just see that. BingX Pro delivers a professional and efficient crypto trading experience for users supporting a wide range of cryptocurrencies. It adopts a design philosophy that prioritizes and optimizes the mobile platform, reliable crypto service. So yeah, it's one of the, crypto trading apps. You might try it out. However, it just has very few ratings as of now. So maybe it's just a good idea to go and check it out, but not use it like yet. So here you can just see how you can create your account. Whoops, I can't even sign up. So there are some issues even with signing up, but there are some invites to earn tabs, and then there are some earn things. Then you can just trade, copy trading. Then you can just futures, spots. There are some markets. So it's quite nice advanced app. There are some glitches here, but yeah, just bringing your attention. So check it out.